So we're going to start with, I've already created this chart, and this has company names and company logos. Again, the logos that you download, you're going to want to make sure they have transparent backgrounds. So you can find those on Google. You just type in, Apple logo, transparent background. You can find it, download it, and then we can insert it in here. Now, the same thing that we did on the if formula is we're going to have to rename the logo picture to the company name, and I'm just going to do it lowercase, so Apple. We're going to do Microsoft. Shell. And Starbucks. Now you'll notice one thing that's a little different on this last one is I don't have any spaces between working with Hope, and that's because this does not allow spaces in this. And because it doesn't allow any spaces, I want them to be exact. So we'll see. So I've got working with Hope, no spaces, Starbucks, Shell, Microsoft, and Apple. All right, let's go back over here to our VLOOKUP formula. So we're going to do the VLOOKUP. We're going to do the cell B2. We're going to come over here to our range. We're going to put a comma, and we're going to go look at our range, and our range is the whole table. Oh, we didn't finish. We're going to display 2, which should be the company name, and we're going to do false. So we want an exact match. All right. So as you can see, it's returning Apple, Microsoft, Shell, Starbucks, and working with Hope. Now I want to put a logo in here, so it's going to return me a logo. So let's expand this out so we can have a better size logo. We're going to insert picture from the cell. And we're going to come over here to my logos, and we're going to use the Braintek logo. And we're going to stick that in there. And then just like we did previously, we're going to come over here to formulas, define a name, and we're going to put in here logos this time. And we're going to put in direct, parenthesis, close our parenthesis. And we're going to come here and we're going to make this equal to logos. And as you can see, it changed immediately from Braintek to working with Hope. And if we continue on, it will show us the logo for each one of those based off of our VLOOKUP table.